Welcome back. We're working on the bug again. We got to take care of some rust holes on the frame head. Let's take a look. We got a hole right there. And we have start of another hole right here. We're going to clean all this down and see how bad it gets. Okay, we got the rust hole cut out, and got another little hole over here. We got what appears to be a booger weld from the factory. Hans and Franz were clearly not at their best that day. We got to grind that out first so I can fit a patch in there. Fabricate the patches out of some 1/16 inch steel scrap that I had lying around. I used masking tape to make a preliminary pattern, and then I'm going to cut it out of these one little piece. I cut the patterns out with a Sawzall. Now I have to bend this one to get the right contour. Just do that on the vise with a hammer and grind it and fit it in. Okay, we got everything ground down. It's going to need a coat of primer, and the car is going to get another coat of undercoating on it eventually, so it'll cover all this up nicely. Thanks for tuning in.